Hey everyone, welcome to How to PC channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to install Cara app on Android or iOS device. So, first of all, let's open Play Store. Let's talk a little bit about what Cara is. It's a new social network like Instagram or Facebook, but this app is more for people who are passionate about art, such as drawing. And now let's type in the search box Cara. And here it is. Now to download this application, just click on the install button here and wait a minute. So the app has installed and now we can open it, just click here. And now let's sign in with Google or with Apple. And if you don't have an account, you can sign up, just click here. For example, let's try to sign up with Google, click here, choose your account. And now you need to fill in all these fields with your data and click on the save button. So guys, that's all for today. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.